Good afternoon, my name is Susana Viafara, Manyoma. In this moment, I'm going to practice English about the song. The song is the Beyonce and Kelly Rowland. I'm going to practice English. The song. Say yes. Say yes. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. 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 I'm not worried about a thing, 'cause I know you are guiding me. Where you lead me, Lord, I will go. Have no fear, have no who's in control. There's no limit to what you can do, 'cause it all belongs to you. Yes, it all belongs to you. No funny, no, how the funny, and all forward for, and belong to you. Yes, it all belongs. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. 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 I'm not worried about a thing, 'cause I know you are guided me. Where is no limit, all I will go. Have no fear, 'cause no who's in control. There's no limit to what you can do, 'cause it all belongs to you. Yes, it all belongs to you. No fighting, no, all in the party, and all power, it belong to you. Yes, it all belongs to you. When Jesus say